Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class, we'll try to understand gate bits number 1 and 2 on memory organization. So these are the bits. So below that we are having second bit, and this is the bit which was asked in GATE 1995. The concepts related to memory organization has clearly been explained in our previous videos. If you haven't watched those videos, please watch those videos and come back here. And every video in our channel is going to be a part of entire course or a playlist. Our suggestion is to follow the entire course so that you can have better understanding of the concepts, and the link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Now coming to this class, this is our first bit. The capacity of memory unit is defined by the number of words multiplied by the number of bits or words. So what they are stating is, if you take any memory, the capacity of that memory, so the capacity of that memory is defined by number of words. So for example, if we take this memory, this as a memory, so it is defined by number of words multiplied by number of bits or words. So number of bits in that word. So how many separate address and data lines are needed for a memory of 4K by 16? So what they are stating, the memory is defined by number of words. So the number of words are 4K. So it means that if this is our memory, the number of words in our memory starts from 0 and this is the last 4K bits. So these are the words, and the next multiplied by number of bits or words. So this is a 16-bit word. So what they are stating is, it is a 16-bit word. So there are 16 bits. There are 16 bits in each and every word. How many separate address and data lines? So what does that address and data line mean is, address line means it is the number of bits in the address. Data line means the number of bits in the data. So for example, if you have taken this word, so this word is having 16 bits, and the address is how many address bits are there in order to represent each and every word uniquely. So that's what they are asking. So we are having how many number of words? 4K words. We are having 4K words, which means that 4 means it is 2 power 2 in the representation of powers of 2. 4 is 2 power 2. K means it is 2 power 10. So we have solved lots of examples on memory, so please watch our previous videos. K means it is 2 power 10. So the total number of words in the powers of 2 are 2 power 12 words. How many words are there? It is 2 power 12 words. In order to represent each and every word of the memory uniquely, how many number of bits are required? What does that mean is, we are having 2 power 12 words. So this is what, 0 to 4K means it is 2 power 12 words are there. In order to represent each and every word uniquely, how many bits are required? We need 12 bits. Okay, so for the address line we need 12 bits, and for data line it is directly given that it is 16-bit word. 16-bit word means we are having 16 bits. So the right answer is 12 address lines, 16 data lines. So the right answer is 12 address lines and 16 data lines. So this bit was asked in GATE 1995. Let's go to the second bit. This is our second bit. A computer system has 4K words cache organized in block set associative manner with 4 blocks per set, 64 words per block. So what they are stating is, a computer system is having 4K word cache. So it means that it is having 4K words. It is having 4K words. Okay, so the total number of words are 4K. 4K in the sense it is 2 power 12 words. 2 power 12 words. Okay, so and in a block set associative manner. So this is a set associative cache memory. The concept of set associative has already been discussed, with 4 blocks per set. So we are having 4 blocks per set. So before that, this is just 4K words. This is just 4K word memory, 64 words per block. So we are having 64 words per block. This is a word, first word, 0th word, first word, second word, third word, fourth word. So we are grouping 64 words into one block. We are grouping 64 words into one block. So the memory logically it will look like it is having 64 words, one block. So 0th block is going to have 64 words. Okay, 64 words and 4 blocks per set. So each set is going to have 4 blocks, 0, 1, 2, 3. These 4 blocks are going to be one set. So what is how many number of blocks are there that we have to decide? How many number of blocks are there? How we can decide? Number of words is equal to 2 power 12 and number of words is equal to 2 power 12. Number of words is equal to 2 power 12 and number of words is equal to 2 power 12 and number of words per block is 2 power 64, which is 2 power 6. So the number of blocks is equal to, so how many blocks we will get? We will get 64 blocks. 2 power 12 by 2 power 6, which is equal to 64 blocks we are going to get. And number of blocks per set is equal to 4 blocks per set. So with 2 power 6 blocks, we grouping 4 blocks per set, which is 2 power 2, which is equal to 2 power 4. 4 blocks per set means the powers of 2 representation of 4 is 2 power 4. We are going to get 2 power 4 sets. How many number of sets? 2 power 4 sets. 2 power 4 sets means 16 sets. In order to represent 16 sets uniquely, we need 4 bits. We need 4 bits. So the number of bits in set and word fields of the main memory address format is. So the main memory address format, let's take this. So for example, if this is our main memory address format, so we said that the cache memory with set associative mapping is going to have 3 divisions. This is block offset. So this block offset, in order to represent this block offset means number of bits in the in order to represent every word in the block, we need 6 bits. We have 2 power 6. 64 words are there. To represent 64 words uniquely, we need 6 bits. So this block offset is what we call it as word field is going to have 6 bits and the set field is going to have 4 bits. Set number is represented here. Set field is having 4 bits. Why 4 bits? We are having 16 sets. 16 sets are there. In order to represent each set uniquely, 16 sets means in order to represent each set uniquely, we need 4 bits. So 4 bits is used for set number. So the answer is for set and word. Set is equal to 4 bits and word is equal to 6 bits. So D is the right answer. So this bit also asked in GATE 1995 and for 1 mark. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubt in the comment section below. And if you feel that this video is helpful to you, please give us a like symbol and please share this video with your friends so that they will also get benefited. Thanks for watching.